Yeah, excuse me. Um, I'll have what my father usually drinks. That Chateau Lafite thing. Yeah, from 1982. Don't play dumb.
Oh, I see you've been studying the drinks list, sir.
It's my father's jet, okay? If he drinks it, then I drink it. And that's the rule.
Oh, nice try, honey. But you see, that wine, that's daddy's. And in about 30 minutes, you're making a quick transit stopover to pick him up before finally jetting up to Lagos, Nigeria.
Wait, that's... are you... Did you just insult me?
Look, darling, here is a Ribena Reserve, aged in luxury